Profit Automation Masterclass for Retirees. How to Make Money Online. Free webinar with Dr. Charles Edrams. Let me ask you a serious question. After all the years you worked, after all the projects you completed, after all the sacrifices you made for your family, why does money still feel uncertain? Why does peace of mind still feel far away? If you're watching this video right now, there's a good chance you're in your 50s or 60s, retired, or very close to retirement. And deep down, there's one question you keep asking yourself. What happens if my money runs out before my life does? That question alone can steal sleep. Let me tell you a story that may sound very familiar. Meet Mr. Ibrahim. He's 61 years old, married, 4 children, lives in Abuja, a retired road construction professional, highly educated, with a master's degree. For decades, he worked hard. Early mornings, late nights. He built roads people still use today. But retirement didn't bring the freedom he imagined. Instead, it brought pressure. Income became unpredictable. Savings started shrinking faster than planned. And every emergency felt heavier than the last. He wasn't lazy. He wasn't careless. He simply depended on one thing his whole life: active work. And once that stopped, income slowed down. Here's the truth most people are never told. Hard work alone does not guarantee financial security anymore. In today's world, the people who earn consistently are not the ones working the hardest. They are the ones using systems. That's exactly why the Profit Automation Masterclass by Dr. Charles Edrams exists. Not to sell dreams. Not to confuse you with technology. Not to promise overnight success. But to teach you, step by step, how to build automated income systems that work quietly in the background. Now let's address what's probably going on in your mind right now. You may be thinking, can this really work for someone like me? That's a fair question, because you've seen too many online courses, too many so-called gurus, too many empty promises. You've probably even tried some things before, and nothing worked. That's why skepticism is normal. But here's what makes this different. The Profit Automation Masterclass is built on real-world business experience, proven automation models, data-driven strategies, real case studies, continuous testing, and improvement. This is not theory. It's what actually works in today's digital economy. Another common fear is, I don't have technical skills. Good news. This course was not designed for tech experts. It was designed for normal people, beginners, who want results without confusion. Everything is explained in simple English. Each step is clear. Nothing is rushed. You are not just told what to do. You are taught why it works, so you build confidence, not dependency. Let's talk about the real pain points. You might be working hard but still struggling financially, living with unpredictable income, trading time for money, overwhelmed by too much information, afraid of scams and fake promises, lacking a clear roadmap, doubting yourself after past failures. And the worst part? You want freedom, but you don't see a clear path to it. That feeling alone is exhausting. The Profit Automation Masterclass was created to remove that confusion. It gives you one clear direction. Not 10 ideas. Not endless videos. A focused system that teaches you how to build income streams that don't need daily attention, reduce dependence on one source of income, create sustainable, long-term earnings, use automation tools without stress, scale income intelligently over time. This is about working once and benefiting repeatedly. Now let's talk about values, because they matter. This course believes in simplicity over complexity, honesty over hype, real results over empty motivation. No false promises. No get-rich-quick nonsense. Only ethical, legal, and sustainable income strategies built to last. Because freedom that causes stress is not freedom at all. At this point, most people reach the decision stage. And that's where fear shows up again. What if I fail? Is the price worth it? Will this still work in the future? What's the risk? Let me ask you a different question. What's the risk of doing nothing? Another year of financial pressure? Another year of uncertainty? Another year of depending on income that can stop anytime? You can invest in knowledge that gives you control. The people who succeed with this course don't start because they are confident. They start because they are tired of struggling. And once they begin to understand how automation works, something changes. Their mindset shifts. Their confidence grows. They stop chasing random ideas. They finally feel in control again. This masterclass is not for everyone. It's for people who want stable income, not hype value, clarity over noise, are ready to learn and apply, want freedom with peace of mind. If that sounds like you, then this is your next step. And here's the best part. Before you commit to anything, Dr. Charles Idrems is hosting a free webinar class. In this webinar, you'll learn how profit automation really works, why most people fail online, and how to avoid it, simple systems beginners can use, how to earn without technical overwhelm, how to build income that lasts. No cost, no pressure, just real education. So here's what to do right now. Click the link in the video description below. Register for the free webinar by Dr. Charles Idrems. Give yourself permission to learn a smarter way. Because you've worked hard long enough. Now it's time to let systems work for you. Click the link below, and I'll see you inside the webinar.